Okay, so here is something on the Cronos mainnet, which is the crypto.com coin, which is Crow. Here's some DeFi. It's called cronaswap, and we can look at the total supply, and the market cap is in the millions, and they also burn their token. And let's look at the farms. They have nice APR. For the liquidity pools, and then for the launch pools, you can auto stake your, it's Crona, I guess. Crona, yeah. And or you can manually stake it, and you can find out here on these little things, like say you put in $100, like in one day you'll make this much. These are like your ROI, rate of, it's kind of like rate of return, like what you would be earning. 7 days, 30 days, 1 year. A lot of times people put in, let's say you had 500, you could make that in a year. 30 days, you'll make that. 7 days, you'll make that. So say you had 1,000, which a lot of people like to put in 30 days, you'll make $300. So that's pretty cool. And then in a year, you can make that much. If it's still around at these rates, that's a lot. So obviously, these are if the rates stay the same and the token is still around, but we don't know that that's going to happen. But anyway, this is what I wanted to mention, this airdrop that's happening right now. I guess this one already happened. I think this one already happened. See, I haven't done this. You have no airdrop reward, so maybe this one looks like it might have already happened the first week. And then this one's coming up November 12th, so it already started to December 12th. So maybe you can get into that one. And then this one, you have to hold, this one you have to hold, I believe is that token, their token. Over here you have to hold uni, cake, or sushi from Ethereum, or cake from Binance. So this one's going on right now, so if you want to try getting in it, and then after this, maybe this one. So how to get the airdrops: collect Crona tokens. First you collect it, then you claim it. Airdrop tokens are released linearly within a week. So every week, probably. And then you can just like buy it once you already buy it. It's just right here. They have their own swap. So if you have the token, you can buy it. So I might try this to see if I get the airdrop, because it's like, why not? So yeah, and I just wanted, and also for the airdrop, they do have rules. They want you to join Twitter and repost tweets, join Telegram, and complete the airdrop form, plus 1 point. So 1 point is you have to have at least 10 of these, or 3 points. You have to have 100 of them, the tokens, probably staking, or you have them in your wallet or something. I really don't know how it works, but you can try it. Why not? I've never tried one like this. I've tried other ones where they just have your token, you're just holding the token and you get something. But this one might be something cool to try. And I just wanted to mention that to you. So I hope you like that. And if you do, this is not financial advice, but you can like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye bye.